Hey guys, so it's now day 5 of wearing my Color Street nail strips, and this is how they've worn. Pretty much the tips have worn the most. They haven't peeled on the sides, but not too bad, but the tips have worn off. So it's time to remove them. So what I'm going to do is show you how to remove them. Very simple because they're made of 100% nail polish. You just take a cotton swab and some non-acetone nail polish remover and simply just swipe away. So there you have it. Only took about 3-4 minutes to take off all my nails. And as you see, my nails are nice and clean and really not compromised in any way. There's no drying. So I really like the fact that they don't do anything to your nails as far as drying out your nail beds or anything. So I would say that if you're looking for some nail art strips and you're looking for maybe some, a cheap way to get some cool nail art, then yeah, $13 for a pack of nail art strips, definitely worth the money, even if it lasts 5-6 days, versus going and getting your nails professionally done and it costs like $100 plus. So it's definitely a good alternative.